Who the heck is that hot potato pie on screen right now? It's me. What's he talking about? Don't worry. All you came here for is to see how to auto-translate from one language to another using YouTube subtitles. Well, here goes. Move your cursor to the bottom of the video screen where it says subtitles or closed captions. Click that. Subtitles will be generated in the language that is currently being spoken, but now you want to translate. So move your cursor to the side button where it says settings. Click settings and then move your cursor up to where it says subtitles. Then move your cursor up once more to where it says auto translate, and suddenly you'll be given a huge list of different languages you can choose from. I'm going to choose German, and there we go. The subtitles have been translated into German. You can do this again. You can do it as many times as you want into many different languages. This time I'm going to use Korean. And now you know how to auto-translate subtitles on a video. But I don't believe all videos have this function. Many of them do, so you can always try it and hopefully you'll get lucky. Look at me. So handsome.